National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, central Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Anniston, 47 miles southeast of Charleston, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carroll, La Center, Bardwell, Wickliffe, Barlow, Lovelessville, Keble, and Blandville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Alexander, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and Carlisle. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for